Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to find the Simpson filter on TikTok. So this Simpson filter is from Capcut. However, I'll post a video on TikTok which will lead you to this Simpson filter. So here we'll go ahead and use a template. We'll go ahead and create a photo. Tap next. Let Capcut apply the AI effect on the photo. Once you're happy, tap export and then go ahead and tap on save and share to TikTok. This will export the video to TikTok. Tap next. Go ahead and tap on edit, and here go ahead and create your cover photo on it. So for those of you who are trying to find that template, go ahead and open TikTok, search for Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit the profile page, and here you'll see the Simpson filter. Go ahead and tap on that. And here you'll see Capcut, the Simpson filter. To use that, go ahead and tap on that. And then this will open up Capcut. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. And now from here, you can go ahead and select a photo and follow the video instructions. So there you go, guys. That is how to get the Simpson filter on your TikTok app using Capcut. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.